In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add euro currency in PayPal. This is a very quick process, and once you know where to look, it only takes a moment to complete. If you receive payments in different currencies, or you simply want to keep euros available in your PayPal account, this can be a useful setting to know. To begin, open PayPal and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main account screen, look for the Wallet section and click on it. This is the area where PayPal stores your payment methods, balances, and available currencies. After you open the wallet, you'll be able to see your list of currencies. This section shows the currencies that are already active in your PayPal account. If euro is not listed yet, that means it hasn't been added, and that's what we're going to do next. From there, find and click the option that says Add a Currency. This will open a list of currencies that you can add to your account balance. Take your time here and scroll if needed until you find euro in the list. Once you see euro, select it and then click Add. PayPal will then update your account and include euro as one of your available currencies. And that's it. The euro currency has now been added to your PayPal account. At this point, if you go back to your currency list, you should see euro showing alongside your other currencies. This makes it easier to hold or manage payments in euros without needing to convert them right away, depending on how your account is set up. A quick tip before you finish. If you use multiple currencies often, it's a good idea to review your currency list from time to time so you know exactly what's active in your wallet. That can help you stay organized and avoid confusion when sending or receiving international payments. So to recap, you open Wallet, check your list of currencies, click Add a Currency, choose Euro and click Add. Once you do that, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.